number 10679. Budget binder. Beauty blender box. Self-defense keychain. Lashes in style baby girl. Thank you so much, Rachel. I really hope you like it. Every order is packaged with love.
Let's package Molly's large order. She ordered 5 different keychains. She purchased 1 bling keychain, 1 grey marble, 1 black marble, 1 owls, and 1 flamingo.
I don't know, you might. Those you use the pop machine for a month and you have to.
Of course, we had to add in some freebies for our appreciation. Thank you so much, Molly.
I just received my biggest order. Order worth £220. I am crying for happiness because this girl supported me so much. I can't explain how happy I am right now. I need another box. She ordered so many. Packing my biggest order ever.
pack one of my biggest pin orders yet. She placed a few different orders and I'm gonna just ship them all together and pack them now. She got 6 of these. 7 red Valentine. Got 1 mouse ear pen. She got 4 bow pens. 5 neutral rainbow pens. 1 pink rainbow pen. 2 blue rainbow pens. 2 sunflower moo pens. 1 cheetah sunflower pen. 1 skipping through the daisies pen. 1 mermaid girl pen. 2 Rosie the cow pens. 4 tsunami heart pens. The rest of my sunflower cheetah pens.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my.
Now we need to do a couple freebies. So I just made this cute little keychain because she obviously likes sunflowers. I'm gonna grab her a little cowhide star. Sorry, but I'm obsessed with the brown. So we'll do those 2. And shout out to my friend Lauren over at Carrie's Country Crafts for these cute chapstick holders. I'm gonna give her one of these. Let's pack it.
Thoughts I have while packaging orders. Please be centered. Thank God. Squiggle paper time. Wait, what did she order? Oh, I love this necklace. So cute. This is the last one. Sparkle, sparkle. Scrunchy time. Pink is my fave. These are all ugly. I lied. I love my packaging. Peel porn. Satisfying. Damn, she thick. I'm obsessed with this printer. All done.